magpapakita na siya ng galing sa harap natin lahat. Ang tintasig contender na si Samir Said.
Ready? I can touch you through the phone, or touch you through the universe. Ain't another time zone. It's the only time I can reverse. But when there's two dimensions, there's only one I'm missing. If you feel alone, and you don't have to feel that no more. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. You won't grab me, champagne confetti. I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. Cause you know I like it, girl. 3D. You know I like it, girl. 3D. Body to body to body to body to body. You and me, baby, you know that we got it. So don't go getting me started. Cause you know I get hot-hearted. Baby, oh baby, oh baby, you're making me crazy. Rain, 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 you can't forget it. You give me brand new emotion. You got me drinking that potion. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, if you're ready, and if you let me, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. You won't regret me, champagne confetti. Hey, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. Come on, cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. You know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. Cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. You know I like it, girl. 3D. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that, see you like that. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that, see you like that.
Ano kaya ang masasabi ng ating tintastic Jurado Darwin?
Ayan, hello mga ka-Teen Star, hello sa inyong lahat. So, unang-una, napakagaling ni ng ating contender. Makikita natin na very angas and astig yung pinakita niya sa performance niya. So, hindi lang astig at angas ang pinakita niya dahil meron din siyang charm na tinatawag. So, sa ganyang performance, feeling ko in anytime magkakaroon siya ng break sa national TV. So, yan, pagpatuloy mo lang yan at saka keep fighting for your dreams.
Hey, Teenstar na naman. Hataw na tayo, kulitan, walang katapusan.
Maraming salamat, Tintastic Jurado Darwin. Pero ano naman kaya ang magiging kabuuang komento ng ating Tintastic Jurado na si Queen Bocha?
Yes, thank you so much. Ayan. So this time, unahin ko muna ang ating contender number 1 na si Jane Sava. Ayan, tama ba ako? Ayan, gustong-gusto ko yung attitude niya, of course, yung posture, yung consistent niya simula una hanggang sa matapos. Talagang hindi nababago simula na nag-umpisa hanggang sa huli. At tapos yung facial expression niya, yung parang talagang very fierce. Ayan, bagay na bagay dun sa tugtog at nagmamatch dun sa mga moves niya. Ayan, kudos sa'yo, Jane Sava. At kay Samir naman, ito naman, napaka-cool guy. Kahit na bagets sa bagets pa, makikita mo sa kanya yung very cool at yung angas at yung charming na sinasabi. At gustong-gusto ko yung tipong parang ini-enjoy niya lang yung bawat momentum. Ayan, yung even kahit na sabihin natin ang laki ng stage, ini-enjoy niya lang, basta inihahataw niya lang. At syempre, soon to be, pwede siya maging mati ni idol at commercial model. Ayan, congratulations to the both of you.
Pero handa na ang resulta ng mga tintastic contender.
Ang ating mga Tintastic Contenders na makakapasok sa ating Grand Finals ng Hataw Mo Show Mo ay si... Samir Said.
Hey, 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 Teenstar na
Siyempre,
naman.
Java.
Tayo kulitan, walang katapusan.
Congratulations sa iyong dalawa dahil mag-uuwi ka ng cash prize at other prizes mula sa ating mga sponsors.
Lahat ay diba, games, jokes at talent na swak sa ganda.
Magkita muli tayo sa masaya at makulay sa susunod na episodes.
Patuloy niyo kami suportahan sa online world kasama ang mga ating mga Teenverse host at kanina pa tayo na pinapanood. Huwag rin natin kalimutan mag-follow sa ating mga social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram at TikTok na Teenstar Official.
Para naman sa inyong mga gustong balikan na mga episode na maaari mo itong mapapanood sa ating mga official YouTube channel na Teen Star.
Hanggang sa muli, ako ang inyong TD Energetic TV host, Arvina! Ako naman ang inyong Tintastic TV host, Jamie!
At ako naman ang inyong cutie guapito, TV host Mateo. At ito ang inyong programang Siguradong Ikaw ang Star dito sa
Teen Star Season 1!